Today I am reviewing the DELLA Motto Series 12,000 BTU ductless mini-split air conditioner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When weather patterns become increasingly unpredictable, maintaining a comfortable home environment can quickly turn into an expensive and frustrating challenge. Traditional window air conditioners are notoriously loud, block your view, and leak valuable air around the window frame, while central air conditioning systems can cost thousands of dollars to install, especially if your home lacks existing ductwork. That is why ductless mini-split systems have completely revolutionized home climate control. Today, we are diving into a comprehensive, deep-dive review of the DELLA Motto Series 12,000 BTU ductless mini-split air conditioner and heat pump. This advanced system is engineered to provide year-round comfort, high-end energy efficiency, and seamless smart home integration without the premium price tag of traditional central systems. Let's look closely at what makes the DELLA Motto Series a top-tier investment for modern homeowners. To start, let's talk about coverage and absolute raw performance. This system delivers 12,000 BTUs of localized climate control, which is the perfect size to efficiently cool or heat spaces up to 550 square feet. Whether you are looking to condition a master bedroom, a spacious living room, a detached garage workshop, a home office, or a newly built home extension, this unit blankets the space beautifully. Unlike basic air conditioners that only work in the summer, the DELLA Motto Series features a fully integrated, pre-charged heat pump. Equipped with an upgraded bottom heating element on the outdoor condenser, it can provide efficient, reliable warmth even when outdoor winter temperatures drop as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit. To make things even better, DELLA utilizes the next-generation R32 refrigerant. This modern cooling agent is highly efficient and drastically reduces environmental impact compared to older refrigerants, ensuring cleaner air quality inside and outside your home. When it comes to monthly utility bills, energy efficiency is everything. The DELLA Motto Series boasts an impressive 20 SEER2 efficiency rating and is fully HRI certified and ETL listed. Powered by an advanced DC Inverter compressor, the system doesn't constantly snap completely on and off like a traditional, power-hungry air conditioner. Instead, the inverter technology allows the compressor to smoothly scale its speed up or down to precisely match the temperature needs of the room. This smart regulation provides up to 30% power savings compared to standard non-inverter systems. Because it runs on a standard 115-volt electrical line with a maximum fuse size of 20 amps, many homeowners can easily integrate it into their existing electrical setups without needing to run expensive, heavy-duty 240-volt dedicated wiring lines. Inside the home, the indoor air handler functions as a whisper-quiet comfort hub. Operating at an ultra-silent 27 decibels, it is practically imperceptible during normal operation, making it an incredible choice for light sleepers and quiet home offices. It features a sophisticated 4D airflow design that automatically oscillates the louvers up, down, left, and right, guaranteeing that conditioned air is distributed perfectly to every single corner of the room rather than blasting in a single direction. You can adjust the target temperature anywhere from 60 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and the system can transition seamlessly between cooling, heating, dehumidifying, and basic fan ventilation modes. It also includes an eco-energy saving mode, a 24-hour programmable timer, and an ultra-fast turbo function to instantly cool down a hot room in just a few minutes. One of the most innovative comfort features built into this unit is the intelligent I-Feel mode. In a standard air conditioner, the thermostat sensor is located high up inside the indoor wall unit. This often leads to inaccurate readings because heat naturally rises, leaving you feeling too hot or too cold at ground level. With the I-Feel mode activated, a smart sensor inside the remote control takes over, reading the exact ambient temperature right where you are sitting or sleeping. The mini-split then dynamically adjusts its airflow and cooling output based on the remote's location, giving you the ultimate level of personalized comfort and preventing wasted energy. To round out its modern appeal, the DELLA Motto Series is fully equipped for the smart home era. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, you can pair the system directly to your smartphone via the dedicated app or link it to Amazon Alexa for hands-free voice control. This allows you to turn the air conditioning on while commuting home from work, adjust the temperature from your bed without reaching for a remote, or set up automated smart home routines to optimize comfort based on your schedule. When you purchase the system, it arrives with a complete installation kit to streamline the setup process, including a full 16.4-foot copper line, set featuring standard 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch outer dimensions, alongside a 6.56-foot outlet drain pipe. While the outdoor condenser comes pre-charged with refrigerant, keep in mind that professional line-set vacuuming and connection are required during installation to ensure the system maintains its airtight seal and peak operating efficiency for years to come. In conclusion, the DELLA Motto Series 12,000 BTU mini-split is a flawless blend of efficiency, power, and smart technology. By combining a highly efficient 20 inverter compressor, an all-weather heat pump, advanced 4D airflow, and seamless voice control into a whisper-quiet ductless system, DELLA has created an exceptional climate control solution. It is a highly reliable, cost-effective investment that will elevate your home's comfort and cut down your energy consumption through every season of the year.